Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So you can see here is a bit different performance compared to euro currency and the Great British pound. Market actually gives us a lot of volatility, but actually no direct action. So market currently stands mostly in the same consolidation of the pennant pattern, trying to break it down. And this just tells us about the relatively strong bearish sentiment in the market. So as I said, in the euro currency, if even with the 75 basis point move by the Fed, market shows no upper bounds, although it's a bit below the expectations, while majority of the traders suggested action and a Fed step for the whole percent. And even on the 75 basis point move, we do not see any moderate pullback. Market just brings some volatility, shows some volatility, and keep going lower. With this type of the performance, if you have bearish position, although it was really difficult yesterday to trade gold because swings were very wide, especially in lower time frames. But anyway, maybe you are holding bearish position from the high standing level. It means that at least 1650 area probably should be reached, because market just stands above this with this butterfly with potential action to the 16 even. So this is also possible. We will see what will happen. For the bulls, in the current circumstances, I do not see really what we could do, is just because we do not have any bullish context anywhere. So starting from the monthly chart down to the hourly chart, no bullish signs by far. On the 4-hour time frame charts, take a look. Market now turns to some sideways action. So this is actually the same pennant, but on the 4-hour time frame chart, it looks a bit different. So here's market is actually breaking this. If you build a trend line a bit different as it was before the Fed statement, you could see what really is going on. Currently, market sense that this confirmed these previous lows, so we could say that's some kind of the rectangle, but it's actually makes no big difference. In the short-term trading, you can see that market has formed a high wave pattern based on the recent performance during the Fed. And the feature of these patterns is that they point the direction. So depending on what direction market will break it, in the same direction price will follow. So if you'll see that market is breaking out to the lows of the pattern, it means that it will go down. If it's vice versa, it's taken out at the top, it means that this will go up. So the classical target of this rectangle breakout, so if we'll calculate its width, count it to the downside, you will get approximately the target. It's points around on the 1630 area. So the market could theoretically complete that, agrees in general with the 1646 of the butterfly extension. So for trading this, you could try to use, for example, stop sell orders. You could place it, for instance, somewhere very close to the lows, but not below them. And if market will break it down, you will step in a bearish trade. It's one of the scenarios that you could consider if you would like to trade it. On the hourly chart, because currently, guys, on the hourly chart, we do not see something really special, something that would let us to take position on some pattern or with the retracement, because we do not have here any patterns. So no guardrails triple to sells, no pullbacks, nothing actually. So with these circumstances, the only way that you could try to deal with this is just using the stop sell order, for instance, or just do nothing and wait for some clarity. Maybe next week we will get something on the gold market here. So that's actually what we have on the gold.